Hello, madam, ladies and gentlemen, welcome group 4. Our topic is global warming causes sea levels to rise. Overall, we have 6 parts. It includes problem statement, and then we propose 3 solutions and analyze of solutions. And the first part is to recommended solution and then conclusion and appendix. Firstly, I will introduce the problem statement. As we all know, global warming, a persistent issue of our times, has given rise to alarming phenomena of rising sea levels. In the first part, I delved into complexities of these crucial challenges, examining its historical background, causative factors, wide-ranging impacts, and empirical evidence. So first one is background. Historically, global warming is the gradual increase in Earth's average surface temperature, primarily caused by the emission of greenhouse gases. Over the past century, industrialization and unchecked human activities have significantly contributed to this trend. One of the most visible consequences of global warming is the rising of sea levels, which is caused by the thermal impaction of ocean water and the melting of ice caps and glaciers. Studies reveal that sea levels has been steadily increasing, posing a significant threat to coastal communities and ecosystems. The second is causes. The radical causes of this issue is multifaceted and interconnected. So firstly is environmental factors, like the loss of carbon absorbing forests and the degradation of nature habits, exhibited this issue. Secondly, economic factors play a vital role. Industrial activities such as fossil fuel combustion and deforestation emit large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, leading to global warming. So, thirdly, social factors. Social factors also contribute to this problem. The increasing demand for energy and resources, coupled with the lack of awareness and inadequate policies, has accelerated the pace of climate change. The last one, political factors also play an important role, as international cooperation and policy framework are crucial for addressing climate change effectively. So the third one is effects. The impact of rising sea levels is profound and diverse. Coastal communities are particularly vulnerable, facing the risk of flooding, erosion, and displacement. The economic consequences are also significant, with losing property, infrastructure, and agricultural productive. Environmentally, the loss of coastal habitats and biodiversity is irreversible. Moreover, the effects extend to the other regions as well, with changing ocean currents and salinity marine ecosystem globally. The last one is evidence. Empirical evidence supports the urgency of addressing this issue. Scientific studies have documented the acceleration of sea level rise in recent decades. Satellite data and tide age provide incontrovertible evidence of this trend. Additionally, climate models predict that the rate of sea level rise will continue to increase if no significant measures are taken to reduce greenhouse gas emission. In conclusion, the problem of global warming leading to rising sea levels is a complex and urgent challenge that requires immediate attention. It's imperative to address the root cause of these issues through a combination of economic, social, environmental, and political measures. By doing so, we can mitigate the devastating impact of sea level rising and protect the future of our planet. That's all of my problem statement.
Hello, everyone. our group topic is global warming cause sea level to rise. In my part, we find the three proposed solution to fix the problem. And first one is first one is reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Mm, by taking measure to reduce emissions such as promoting the development of renewable emergent, improve emergent in fact, promoting green transportation, the rates of global warming can be slowed down, thereby reducing the risk of sea level to rise. And the second solution is protecting uh, castlings and the wetlands and strengthening shoreline protecting projects while protecting and restoring wetlands and main, mitigate the impacts of sea level rise on people and ecosystems and provide the natural buffers. And the third solution is international cooperation and police uh, formulation to promote international cooperation to jointly address climate changes, sign and implement global emissions, and reducing aggressment and formulate and implement policies and the plans to adapt to sea level rise in order to address these global challenges. And my part is finished. Thank you, everyone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. My name is Muhammad Umair. Now I'm going to analyze the solution that I have mentioned before. First of all, our analysis will be based on these 5 criteria, which is feasibility, effectiveness, efficiency, sustainability, and risk management. The first solution of preventing the seawater level from rising is reducing greenhouse emission. It is highly feasible with existing technologies for renewable energy. For effectiveness, it is very effective as it tackles the root cause of global warming. For efficiency, while the initial investment is high, it leads to long-term savings and health benefits, making it efficient use of global warming. It is also highly sustainable by supporting long-term ecological balance. However, transitioning from fossil fuels involves economic and social risks that require careful management. Second, protecting coastlines and wetlands through natural and engineered solutions, such as restoring mangroves and building seawalls, is technically feasible and has been successfully implemented in various regions. This solution provides immediate protection against sea level rise and storm surge, significantly reducing flood risk. While resource intensive and costly, these measures require regular maintenance and monitoring to ensure their continued effectiveness. Furthermore, this solution enhances ecosystem resilience by preserving biodiversity, offers significant long-term environmental benefits, making them highly sustainable. Moreover, by providing robust protection against sea level rise and storm surge, these solutions effectively manage and mitigate risks associated with coastal flooding. Lastly, the solution is promoting international cooperation and policy formulation. It is feasible through international treaties and agreements such as the Paris Agreement, which unify efforts across nations. Next, this approach leverages collective action and resources, making it substantially effective through shared knowledge, technologies, and financial mechanisms, like the Green Climate Fund. Other than that, by pooling resources and expertise, this solution becomes efficient, enabling cost-effective implementation of climate change initiatives. What's more, this solution fosters long-term global commitment and collaboration, ensuring sustainability through continued international efforts. For risk management, it includes mechanisms for monitoring, reporting, and accountability to manage risks and ensure compliance, thereby maintaining an integrity and effectiveness of international climate actions. In conclusion, each solution has unique strengths, as mentioned above. Evaluating these solutions based on feasibility, effectiveness, efficiency, sustainability, and risk management shows that a combined strategy is likely the most effective way to mitigate the impacts of rising sea levels due to global warming. Okay guys, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later.
Hello everyone. Our topic today is the global warming causes sea levels to rise. And today I will introduce the part 4, recommended solution. And based on the analysis of their previous two classmates on the solutions to the global warming causing the sea level rise, I believe that the best solution is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, because the greenhouse gas can absorb and radiate the heat on the Earth's surface, forming a greenhouse effect. Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have emitted a large amount of the greenhouse gas and causing a significant increase in the concentration of greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, and leading to an increase in Earth's temperature. The direct effort of reducing greenhouse gas emissions is to slow down temperature rise, and reducing the greenhouse gas emissions can slow down or even stop the trend of global temperature rise, thereby slowing down the rate of seawater thermal expansion and glacier melting. Secondly, it has long-term efforts. Greenhouse gas have a longer residence time in the atmosphere, and current emission reduction measures have an impact on the climate for the decades or even centuries to come. Earlier, the emission reduction can reduce long-term accumulation of greenhouse gas concentrations and avoid more severe climate change. So I think the best solution is to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. So that's all. Thank you for your listening.
What is a conclusion? First, it gives a big impact on greenhouse. For the effect of the sea level, there are 5 impacts where it is feasibility. First is effectiveness, efficiency, sustainability, and risk emission management. As we all know that there is a big impact on greenhouse. One of the solution is reducing greenhouse gas emission. It one of the effective way to mitigate the impact of rising sea level due to global warming. And second is a solution, and that's a highlight problem and solution. The problem has numerous such as burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. Society should use public transport compared to driving car to solve this problem. So for the third is my comment all aspects from the small family to the government and all society in this world to prevent and keep an eye on the iceberg and don't do things that contribute to global warming. According to the effect, this will have a serious problem to the Earth society. Rising sea level have serious repercussions that affect small towns and big towns all around the world, infrastructure and ecosystem, and human life are at risk due to increased flooding, erosion and storm surge. Existential dangers to low-lying locations, especially many small island states, make it urgently necessary to reduce global warming and adapt it to its effects.
Today our topic about global warming causes sea levels to rise. Introduce part 6 appendix. Global average sea level has risen 21 until 24 centimeters since 1880. In 2022, global average sea level set a new record, high 101.2 millimeters above 1993 levels. The rate of global sea level rise is accelerating. It has more than doubled from 1.4 millimeters per year. Throughout most of the 20th century to 3.6 millimeters per year from 2006 until 2015. In this picture you can see how the sea level is rising. In locations along the US coastline, the rate of local sea level rise is greater than the global average due to land processes like erosion, oil and groundwater pumping and subsidence. High tide flooding is now 300% to more than 900% more frequent than it was 50 years ago. If we are able to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, US sea level in 2100 is projected to be around 0.6 meters higher on average than it was in 2000. On a pathway with high greenhouse gas emissions and rapid ice sheet collapse, models project that average sea level rise for the contiguous United States could be 2.2 meters by 2100 and 3.9 meters by 2150. Global mean sea levels has risen about 8 or 9 inches since 1818. The rising water level is mostly due to a combination of meltwater from glaciers and ice sheets and thermal expansion of seawater as it warms. In 2022, global mean sea levels was 101.2 millimeters above 1993 levels, making it the highest annual average in the satellite record. In some ocean basins, as much as 6 or 8 inches since the start of the satellite record. Regional differences exist because of natural variability in the strength of winds and ocean currents, which influence how much and where the deeper layers are hit. Our appendix part is finished. Thank you.